Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best camping chairs out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 10. Coleman Broadband Quad Chair. We're not quite sure what a camping chair has to do with the internet access, but as long as Coleman keeps coming up with practical winners like this, we don't really care what they call them. The Broadband Quad Chair sports a simple design with minimal ornamentation and accessories and is available for about the price of a 12-pack. The chair is very stable. Number 9. Caravan Sports Infinity Zero. The Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Camping Chair harkens back design-wise to the classic webbed lawn chairs of the past. But the recliner-like profile is where the similarities end. This camping chair is all business when it comes to providing you a platform for total outdoor relaxation. The chair frame is high quality, powder-coated. Number 8. Amazon Basics Camping Chair. Open waters or a family gathering is quite cute, but a great-looking chair with extra support is definitely better. The Amazon Basics camping chair serves as a great companion to such occasions, providing a convenient sitting position for optimal relaxation and comfort. Enjoy every moment of the trip with this lovely, well-built chair that provides good balance and great form. Our newest choice only be seen at FishFriendly.com. Search best camping chairs or simply click below the video description link. FishFriendly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Coleman Camp Chair. Coleman is known for their phenomenal design and expertise in manufacturing only quality and durable products. So when the Coleman Camp Chair with side table came out, we knew it was a sustainable product, uniquely crafted with an innovative and new design. It's quite portable, making it very easy to carry around and transport. Take it for practically any outdoor gathering from picnics. Number 6. Coleman Big and Tall Quad. There's no need to be ashamed of being more on the weighty side, especially these days where products are designed for all shapes and sizes. Even at that, it's still a bit hard to find chairs that don't only have the capacity to take on more pounds, but one that lasts over time. The Coleman Big and Tall Quad camping chair fills that gap. Number 5. Alps Mountaineering Folding. Rendezvous Folding Camping Chair is for those who feel that there's just something a bit off about sitting up high at the campsite. The Rendezvous brings you right down to earth and does so with an absurd degree of comfort that's going to make you look at your living room furniture with a jaundiced eye. There's no need to put your feet up on anything because the ground is right there. Our newest choice only be seen at FishFriendly.com. Search best camping chairs or simply click below the video description link. FishFriendly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Kelty Lola Vesey Chair. The Kelty Lola Vesey is a double camping chair that allows you to keep that special someone as close to you when you go camping as they are at home. It features cup holders in each of the adjustable arms, a tough, stable, corrosion-resistant steel frame that can handle 2 full-sized adults without breaking a sweat, and 600D polyester fabric that's remarkably comfortable and washes up in a snap. Number 3. KidEuro Dual Lock Chair. The next entry on our list of best camping chairs takes a more modernist view of outdoor furniture. The KidEuro Dual Lock Chair sports a broad, sleek profile that lets you stretch out without ever feeling confined by the seat. It has a nice wide back with mesh at the center, so you stay cool even on those July afternoons at the beach. Number 2. Coleman Camping Chair. Coleman does outdoors as well as any company in the world, so it's no surprise that they would produce one of the 12 best camping chairs out there. The oversized quad chair with cooler is the epitome of the modern camping chair, with its heavy-duty steel frame that can accommodate up to 300 pounds, its high degree of overall comfort, the built-in cooler sleeve on the side. Number 1. Alps Mountaineering King. The King Kong camping chair from Alps Mountaineering is the solution to all those times your standard folding chair just couldn't stand up to the rigors of camp life. It's built like a brick, you know what, and while it may not be able to accommodate the adult Kong, it could probably handle his younger self without much problem. The frame is ultra-strong powder-coated steel that can handle up to 800 pounds. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.